Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps like browser, then click on the square button and tap on this icon at the top right corner of your app. Following that, you can use it in this little window over here and even overlay other apps. If you wish to move it somewhere else, you have to click on the bubble. Then hold this line over here and place your app wherever you want to. If you want to get rid of it, you can always close it by tapping on the top right corner or make it full screen by clicking on the top left one. If you wish to go back, click Home button as usual, but you can also go into Device Settings, scroll all the way down and choose Accessibility Features. Over here, click on Multi-Window and tap on the switcher next to Multi-Window Dock to enable it. Then click Home button and open Smart Sidebar. Now click on one of those apps, like Files, and as you can see, it will open in pop-up view automatically. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!